Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday morning. I woke up this morning thinking, what should we make for breakfast? And we recently posted on Facebook these beautiful apple butter pancakes. And I thought, wow, let's just go ahead and make these and be able to enjoy them on this beautiful Saturday morning out in our back deck. So if you guys aren't, some of those may not be familiar with a spiced apple butter, but it is a delicious apple butter. Shout out to Apple Hill. This is my wife just returned with the kids a couple weeks ago and grabbed this apple butter for us. So we're gonna be using that today as the main ingredient. So first off, what we wanna do is put together all the dry ingredients. So we were gonna go ahead and put the all-purpose flour. We'll get that in there. We have some sugar, some baking powder, and love this, some ground ginger and cinnamon. Let me get the rest of that out there. We have a little bit of salt, some salt there, and we have some cinnamon. So we got that. So what we want to do there is just go ahead and whisk that up a little bit and get that kind of all nice and blended together. Then we'll turn over here to our wet ingredients over here. So we've got some milk, and we've got some melted butter. And we got that wonderful jam here, so we'll put that in. And you want to put 1 egg. 1 egg. And you want to whisk that a little bit together, not too much. We want to fold this in here in just a minute. So you got your wet ingredients and your dry ingredients. And we're gonna go ahead and pour that in. Again, we're gonna go ahead and fold this in. You don't wanna over fold it and over mix it. Just kind of fold that in. Then when we have this, I've got my skillet and burner burning behind me. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on. And we'll go ahead and cook these and come back and show you the finished product. Hey, welcome back. Hey, if you find the battery maybe a little bit thick, please go ahead and add a little bit more milk to it. We tend to, if you pour a batter anytime when you're doing pancakes or something, you feel like there is a little bit thick, just take a little spoon and kind of like smooth it out a little bit to get full consistency on that. So here we have our pancakes of our lovely apple butter pancake. So of course, I put butter on every single layer, so it's totally your choice. You can take some pecans or other nuts of your choice, kind of put them on at your quantity that you would so desire. And just put some maple syrup straight over the top of that. You can quite see that, but that looks super, super good. So let's go ahead and give this a nice little taste here. You guys will absolutely love these. Rub a little bit more in the butter and the syrup. Fantastic, you guys. Enjoy these wonderful pancakes, and we look forward to seeing you guys on the next Cooking with Your Agent. Take care.